Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gurmeet Kunlas. Today we will be talking about your metabolic health. I will provide you 5 key indicators to know what is going on in your body. You might be looking healthy outside, but you may have significant changes in the body. If you realize now, change it. Number 1, waist circumference. If you're a male and your belt size is more than 40 and a female size more than 35, you do have red flag sign. This is a sign of visceral obesity and you should do everything under your power to lose weight. Fasting blood sugar. If your fasting blood sugar is consistently more than 100, you may have glucose resistance. That leads to all the complications in the world. This means your body is not able to handle the carbohydrate load. You must reduce simple carbohydrates and processed meats and limit your salt. Number 3, blood pressure. In a normal person, blood pressure should always be less than 130. If it's higher than that, you are at risk of clogging your arteries. Triglycerides. Look at the number. If it's more than 150, you may have problem. You must work harder to lose weight, eat properly so that this number goes down. Number 5, HDL cholesterol. That is your good cholesterol, the garbage man which is bringing cholesterol from your arteries, blood vessels, bring it back to the liver for disposal. If a male has HDL cholesterol less than 40 and a female has HDL cholesterol less than 50, the ratio between bad cholesterol and good cholesterol will be altered and you will have a problem. If you want to fix all, walk 30 minutes every day, minimum 5 times a week. Cut back on processed carbohydrates and sugars. Sleep 7 hours a night. Manage your stress. Metabolic health is the foundation for energy, mood, weight, and longevity of life. You could prevent a lot of pain and suffering, heart attack, stroke, and death. So ask yourself, are you just living or you're thriving? Drop a note, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.